What's up, everyone? How are you all doing? Welcome back to our channel, Edition by Navina. So, today we are diving deep into the topic which is absolutely crucial for getting ahead in life and its personal finance. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Finance sounds complicated and boring, but trust me, I'm gonna bring it you more interesting. Once you understand the basics of managing money, becomes a total game changer. We are going to break down everything step by step from budgeting to saving to investing and planning for the retirement so you can take control of your finances. Okay, chapter 1 would be where does money comes from? Before you even think to manage money, you need to know how much income is coming in, right? I'm talking about the income, the money you earn from your job, side hustles or rents, dividends or interests. It's all about understanding your cash flows that's coming in every month. It's not about comparing yours with anybody. We are all in our own flow. Once you know how much you're earning, you can start making informed decisions about your spendings and investments and saving habits. The goal is to spend less than you earn more. 50-30-20 rule. So this is more important in everybody's life. Okay. So all right. So let's talk about budgeting. I know it sounds exciting as watching movies. But here's the thing, budgeting isn't about restricting yourself, it's about giving yourself the permission to spend guilt free on things that you love. The popular method is 50-30-20 rule. 50% you spend on your needs, which is house rents, insurance, groceries, and more essentially. And 30% on the wants like movies, entertainments, foods, traveling, or tours, and something like that. And 20% goes on savings. So this depends on each and every individual. It's not something everyone has to follow the 50-30-20. It depends upon the individuals. So now let's talk about the financial safety net. So emergency funds. When planning for finances, the first thing should be your emergency funds, which should be 3 to 6 months of your needs uh, must meet in the emergency fund. So you can put it in a FD or in a savings account where you can take it off when it's needed immediately. Okay. So get out of the red would be our next topic. So it's about the debt management. Debt. I know it's a scary word, but the truth is all of us has some form of debts, like credit cards, home loans, education loan, or whatever it may be. The key is to manage it responsibly so it doesn't control your life. Okay. The first thing first, if you're paying the minimum, you're only throwing money on your interest. Okay. So always try to pay more than the minimum if you can, even if it is little extra each month. Prioritize high interest debts like credit card debts. Okay. Next. Chapter 5 would be investing, make your money work for you. Investing is a key for building long term wealth. Look, I get it, investing can seem to be more intimidating, especially if you're new to the game, but it doesn't have to be complicated. Start by learning the basics like index funds, ETFs, and everything like that. Remember, investment is a marathon and not a sprint. The key is to start early, stay consistent, and let the compound interest work magics over time. Basic needs will be like goals. Okay. So next would be the chapter 6, insurance, which protects the most. Let's be clear, insurance isn't the most interesting topic, but it's crucial in protecting yours and your loved one's life. I need to bring to notice on your health, car, home, renters insurance, and life insurance, which is very crucial. So they cover you adequately without overpaying for it. Do not skip on insurance. It is better to say safe than sorry, especially when it comes to protecting your health and your assets. Retirement plan, chapter 7. Now I know what you might be thinking. Retirement, I'm too early to think about it. But here's the thing, the earlier you start planning for your retirement, the better off will be your payment. The more time the money has to grow, the more you have when you retire. This is the ultimate goal. Okay. So next, we are coming to the conclusion of a video. So chapter 8 would be the financial goals. So you can fix some goals like short term, mid term, and long term. Short term for buying a phone or vacation, and mid terms can be car, home down payments, or something like that. Long terms would be your retirement plans and your child's education. So please make a note on each and every one of your goals. Let's give you some beginner tips. Track every dollar for at least a month to understand your habits. Avoid lifestyle inflations. spending more as you earn more. Educate yourself regularly by books, podcasts, YouTube channels. Be patient. Wealth building takes time. All the very best to each and every one of you. Your goal to personal finance starts today. Thank you for watching our video. And this is so incredible for me to talk with you each and every day and bringing you the topics which is more interesting to you. So if you like our videos, I would request you to follow, subscribe us. Thank you. Have a good day.